A couple of little growing things for anybody who's listening that might be a new gardener. The most important thing that you can know about planting a peony is that they do really like to be near the surface. The farther down south you live, I think even in the Northeast, you don't want them more than 2 inches below the surface of the land. And where I grow, they are right there. So the eyes are very close to the sun. If you plant them too deeply, they will live. They will just not flower. And kind of what you want is the flowers. So make sure that when you get something bare root, that you follow the directions and plant them very close. And if you mulch your garden, or if somebody else does, just go and skitter that mulch away, because that is, that's taking away the sunshine that they want.
And just for the record, I told you last year that my Bartzella steadfastly refused to bloom, even though I bought it in bloom. And you told me, I think you planted it too deep. And man, it pains me. It pains me deeply to say that you were right about this, but I pulled that up a little bit, and I got 3 blooms off it last year, which I hadn't gotten in 4 or 5 years. So you were obviously onto something.